Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have a car lock basic. Right, what this is, it's a tracker. On the back of here you've got all your do's and don'ts and your instructions. So we're just gonna pop this open and let you see what you get for your money, and then we will also try and talk you through the fitting of it. Okay, so let's start by getting this undone here. Get that out there. Rest that over there, there, and there. And this basically is what you get. Now, I'm gonna just give you a quick um, demonstration of how. Tell you what, let's just put this inside the vehicle before it blows away. I've got it somewhere. Right, we have a Renault Kangoo, right? Now, to open your bonnet, because we have only just figured it out. If you're standing in front of your vehicle, to your right hand side, just here, is your bonnet relief catch. So you push that over that way, and you lift. See, when you push it, if you look there, that's what happens. Okay? Now, you have these, you have a red and a black connector. It says on the instruction, just connect the wires up. So if we undo this, we have, make sure you check and double check. That's your negative and that's your positive. Okay, so your black wire will go to there, that's easy enough, and your red wire will go to here. Under here we have a look, we have the red connection which is under there. That's the size that is designed for your original battery, but you could put it anywhere. You could go onto there, it could go onto here. That's all metal, so it's all just doing the same thing. But that's your positive and that's your negative. You could even now get yourself a 10mm nut, which is basically the same size as that. Put it under there. It would be advisable to put a little washer on it because you can see it's a bit, yeah? Put a washer on it, tighten it down, and that's the job done there. Here, again, you could just slacken that off, slide that behind there, and tighten it up. In fact, you could do it with both. Basically, black goes there, red goes there. Don't connect it to any of these. These are your fuses. Connect to your main battery there, and even if you could get it there, slacken that one on from under there and get it through there, you get a better fit. Okay, and that's basically it. And this now, you peel that off and you can stick it on your battery. This is the length of your lead basically, so you can stick it anywhere that your lead will go. This is your fuse box. You got 2 screws under there, torque screws. Maybe able to take it off and stick it on the inside of there, which will be a better idea, because stick it on there, someone could just rip it off if they decide to take your motor. Inside there, they gotta have that to get it off.
So that's a tracker.
And it's your tracker. And that's how you install it. So we're gonna do a video showing you when we install it, okay? So for now, that's just your unboxing and your explanation of how to fit it. So till next time on Tradespeople's Tips, stop robbing people if you're doing it. See ya.